So right now I'm standing with vintage. We can't say vintage Broncos because of the whole lawsuit with Ford and everything like that. But if you see behind me, if you check out this Bronco, okay, this is something, to me, it's very special. If you love Broncos the way I love Broncos, but yet it's like, it's the older Bronco, but you have all the updated technology.
It gives you the best of both worlds.
Yeah, best of both worlds you're going for. Now this, I think this is actually really cool. Check out on the door.
Okay.
All right.
Look at that.
Look, now this looks like a regular old-fashioned roll-down window, but it's power.
Yeah. It's power, right? Yep.
So you have the look of the old, but you have the new technology. Now, I love this color too, by the way, and like the whole thing, the whole color scheme, the interior. I want to get inside.
The way it looks. Yep. It's got that typical Texas.
It's very warm and inviting.
Saddle looking.
It's very comfortable. I feel like my horse should be
running in front of it?
Riding next to me. Yeah.
You're a real Bronco?
Exactly, right? This is a beautiful truck.
So basically what they did, look at how seamlessly they blended in the dash, right? So you got the old look on the dash with the modern tech. So basically, it's something that you drive every day.
Oh, yeah.
Not have to worry about the thing breaking down or getting bad gas mileage. You can do a couple things. You can keep the stock motor, as you said, or you can upgrade it with Roush. They work with Roush Performance, and they'll upgrade it, do things. But look at this, Alcantara headliner, right? You've got a big moonroof. Wait, hold on. It's actually, no, it's a convertible top, right? All right, and then look at that. All the modern day comforts. So you literally could drive this thing cross country if you had to. And
I think it'd be great cross country.
Yeah, you got room. You got the back seat. Let's take a look at the back seat. Yeah, you can actually put some people. I mean, you can put 2 adults in the back seat if you had to. All right.
Hold on, I'm getting in the back.
Hold on. All right, let's follow her. All right, you getting back seat? Oh. Some back seat right there.
Okay, let me just move the pillow.
Oh, you got some cushions.
You got cushions? Oh, speaking of cushions, hold on.
Those cushions are the best. I like those ones.
Look, I got a nice little armrest here. This is fantastic. I love this.
All right.
This is now on my wish list.
All right, and then look, hold on, look at the trunk space. I like the speakers back here. Look, the speakers.
Oh yeah.
But you got decent, and it looks like it's teak wood.
Yep.
Is that actually teak wood?
Real authentic teak.
Wow.
Real authentic teak wood.
That's good. And then hold on.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. Teak on the trunk lid too. Nice. Yep. Now we were admiring the teak. Look at that. Okay, and then the seats fold down, so you got some additional cargo space. I love the chrome bumpers. Hold on, let me close this up. Oh, sorry. Okay, the chrome looks great. And look at the wheel. And then you got the power running boards. Look all
people like me, we need that.
Look all the finish.
Yep.
Fit and finish.
I love it.
Look, and they did all the cool retro colors too. The retro color schemes.
The side mirrors too are more classic.
Yeah, classic side mirrors. So, what do you think?
I'm in love. I don't know about you, right? But I'm in love. I think there's quite a few people out there that like the old ones like I do.
Well, they do too, right? So, and then look, the old ones were at Barrett Jackson. They're going for like 300 grand, some of the old ones. This one, you can get a brand new one, loaded up with everything. It's under $300,000, like $290, $292, but you can drive it every day.
Yeah, exactly.
The older ones, you're going to buy it, you're going to put it in the garage because you're going to have to break down all the time.
Yep.
Let's show them the front.
All right.
All right. It looks identical to the older one.
Yeah, it does.
Wow.
It's fantastic.
Oh, that's nice. What do you think?
Now, originally I said I wanted mine in pink. Like, I thought it was really cute. The pink with like the seats, they were cream with the pink flowers and stuff. But honestly, kind of liking this bad boy.
Not bad.
This one might take over.
What do you guys think? Okay.